Hi everyone. So in this video we will see how we can find a unique number out of a list of numbers in which every number is present twice except one number which is present once. So our aim is to find that number which is present once only. So let's take an example. We have the list of numbers as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So 3 is present once only. So we have to find this number 3 by performing our logics. So for this we need to study an operator which is XOR. We represent XOR as this arrow. So we can write 2 as 0, 1, 0, 3 as 0, 1, 1 in binary form. So the XOR of 2 and 3 will be, so XOR is operated on bits. For same bits we have XOR as 0. For different bits we have XOR as 1. So 0 and 1, the bits are different, so we'll be having 1. So for 1 and 1 the bits are same, so we will have 0. So 0 and 0 same bits, we will have 0. So the XOR of 2 and 3 will be 1 only. XOR of a same number is 0. For example, we will take XOR of 2 and 3, we'll get 0. So we'll use this in finding our unique number. So XOR of 1 and 1 will be 0. So these will cancel out each other. Similarly 2 and 3 will be 0. 2 and 2 will be 0, sorry. So 4 and 4 will be 0 and 5 and 5 will be 0. So we will be left with 3 only. So if we track our this XOR with answer is equals to 0 and we'll take XOR of each number that are inputting, so we'll get the number which is present once only. So the same numbers will cancel out each other and we'll get our number as 3. So another property is 0 XOR x is equals to 0. So let's see its implementation. See the implementation of unique number program. First of all, hash include IOStream, that is input output stream. Then using namespace standard and then int main. So first of all we should know how many numbers we are inputting. For that we'll take input integer n and scene n. Then we need to track our XOR, so we'll take int answer is equals to 0 and another variable x. So we'll input x n times. So int I is equals to 1 and I will be less than equal to n plus I. So we'll input x n times c in n and then we'll do XOR of x with answer every time. So at last every twice number will cancel each other and we are left with the number which is present once only. For example, we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So 1 and 1 will cancel each other, 2 and 2 will cancel each other, 4 and 4 cancel each other, 5 and 5 cancel each other. So we'll be left with 3 only. As we studied a property of XOR, that the XOR of same number will be 0. So let's print our answer. Cout unique number is our answer. Let's do an enter. So let's save it and let's run it. G++ unique number. So let's give our input as 9 numbers and our input will be these 9 numbers. So unique number is 3. So our program is completely fine and is running perfectly. So this is how you can find unique number out of the given list in which every number is present twice except the one number which is present once only.